I've just got hair hanging. Fake Jaclyn in the corner. Ugh, I feel dead to the world today. I don't know why I feel so depleted from life, but we are going to tackle cleaning the office. Yay! I actually had to do a little bit of an organize last night, or just not even an organize, just like putting things in piles because it has gotten so crazy in here. I feel very blessed. I work in the beauty industry, but there is definitely a lot of things coming in items, so it is a job to keep everything organized, keep your in and out piles, things that I want to test, all these different things, you know? So I've just kind of let it go. I had some travel recently and it's a mess in here. And I feel like when my space is messy, my brain is messy, and I'm not able to have the level of output that I want, that needs to get taken to the trash. This is from IKEA. I just did an IKEA run. I'm gonna bring back the Alex drawers, the classic white drawers. It reminds me when I started YouTube almost, oh my God, almost 10 years ago. That's crazy. So I have called my dad over. He's gonna help me build these. This is all of my current new beauty products that I want to test out, but it's just a disaster and it's so messy that it prevents me from even just like going in there and pulling out something new. So the drawers will be helpful because I'll have all of my new products and things organized like that. Also, there's more product down here. These are the things that I want to film a TikTok on. So I mean, this area looks fine for a background, but all of the other area is not good. And then this is the actual like makeup studio, which I think we're gonna put the Alex drawers in that closet. We've got a lot of work to do. I can't believe it's been, oh my gosh, it's like a year this month. It's been a year of having this amazing studio space, which has been so helpful. It's crazy to think that I am kind of outgrowing it right now, but we're gonna try to make it a bit more functional. Let's get to work, baby. We've got the big guns in today. We got Mama Forbes here. She is the queen of clean and she's gonna help me out. We're gonna reorganize, declutter my makeup collection, reorganize the studio, clean it. Just one of those very satisfying before and afters. I'm excited for the after. Let's get it done. So this is the current state of affairs we're dealing with. We've got a bunch of PR that just needs to be put away. My travel stuff because I'm going to Whistler to snowboard tomorrow. But this is just, it's a disaster. Just needs to be reorganized. This is all stuff that either needs to be given away or donated. Here are the new IKEA drawers, throwback to 2014 Beauty Guru YouTube era. These honestly just win as the best storage. I used to have them a while ago, but when I moved here, I got rid of them. It was time. Shout out to my dad. He built these for me the other day. So these need to get reorganized. I have so many products and looks that I want to shoot, but because everything's in a state of disarray, I can't do it. So we just need to fix everything. And then like look at this. This is an absolute mess. This closet needs to be sorted out. I've just got hair hanging. Fake Jaclyn in the corner. We've got a lot of work. Let's get started. I honestly think the next move will be starting to put stuff in the drawers because that'll just get rid of a lot of things in a good way. Okay, I moved like 2 things and I'm like, we're pretty much done. It looks so much better already. I'm gonna hang this up in the bathroom. Shout out Dyson, this is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Every time people come over to get ready, this mirror just absolutely terrifies everyone. It's like a parking garage mirror. It's from Umbra. I really like it. Welcome to my bathroom. Shout out Jeff Probst. Can't wait to be on Survivor one day, and then it's gonna be kind of weird that I have that in here. Or is it a manifestation? Okay, let's see if I know how to use a command hook on the wall properly. I think I know how to do this. So what's an appropriate height? That feels good. That feels normal. Let's get you a better view. Cute. Just gonna eyeball it. This is why my dad hates when I do handy things, because he's actually like good at this stuff. He would measure it, make sure it's perfect. I'm just like, it just doesn't matter to me. If my eye thinks it looks right, then I just trust my eye, you know? Gorge. I'm gonna say that feels center. Oh, that's definitely not center. Oh, was I supposed to put the tab on the bottom part? I think it's fine. Okay, gorge. Oh, I definitely was supposed to put that on the upside down part. Mom, are you supposed to put the command hook, the tab under, like at the bottom?
Yes, you pull it off, it doesn't matter.
Can I just cut it off, do you think, entirely? Because I put it on upside down, it's a bit of an eyesore. That was my own issue. I mean, like, I'm not...
You can take it off and put it back on.
Look, you see what I mean? I did that.
Yeah, that looks stupid. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Jeez.
But that's the whole point of them. If you pull, it's supposed to come off without leaving them on.
I didn't bring the thing over, though.
No, you have to get a new one now. Get a new one.
There was no more.
Oh, well, you didn't tell me that.
No, there is.
Okay.
It's just next door. You want to go grab it? Tracy, don't swear on camera.
Oh, sorry, you have it on?
What do you mean do I have it on?
No. Oh, sorry.
Okay, so this tab goes hidden like
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Okay, now I understand that. You just had to tell me that. But look at my eyeball, just really measured it perfectly last time. Oh, that looks so much better. Peace and love. I believe. Dude, just spoke to me. Like, did you just see how my brain just did that so perfect? Dan would have measured that. You know he would have measured it.
Absolutely.
But like, that's literally perfect. Look at that. Oh my god.
Okay, done.
Okay. Look, doesn't this look so much better already?
Because you have to get crap out first.
Hey, can I just show you this really quick? Look at how nice this silver was what I did my Euphoria makeup with. Look at how pretty. Do you see this? How glittery it is?
Gorgeous.
Shout out.
Okay, so now
Revolution
what are we doing
Pro.
with This is going out the hair.
This needs to just exit. Yep. So it's gonna be heavy though. So I'm gonna. This is why I trained it at 45. Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, so it really could go all the
Right
way.
against the wall. See, watch.
Wait, that is, wow.
Just
Sorry,
making
they need
sure.
to see this. This is like, we didn't even measure this. This was just a guesstimate.
So look at that.
That is amazing. I'm just gonna show you guys when this is done. I don't know how to film this as I do it. I'm giving up. It's like each thing is gonna just have its own drawer. That's how it should be.
Sounds good.
So, primers. Next is gonna be foundations. Say that again?
Then I stopped helping and I'm using your makeup now.
Yeah, this is how cleaning is going. She's just discovering new products she wants to try out. Shout out L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. What's this kind of mascara actually, Mom?
Voluminous.
She doesn't know how to say the word voluminous. Okay, we have made some progress. The drawers are done. I still got the rest of the place to kind of figure out, but I'm gonna walk you through. So, in the top, setting spray, some body glow, you know, finishing sprays. Then on this side, we've got a bunch of primers and bases and illuminating bases, things like that. Then we've got more full coverage foundations in this drawer. And then in this drawer, we've got more light coverage / tinted moisturizers, powders, pressed powders, concealers. We've got cream bronzers and powder bronzers. And then we've got powder and cream highlights in here. A bunch of cream bronzer, cream blush, powder blush, brows. We've got gem stuff and rhinestones in the back. Then we've got eyeliners in here. We've got dark eyeliners and neutrals, cool tones, warm tones, mascaras, primers, colored liners, colored mascaras, glitters, pigments. And this is like single eyeshadows, quads, or cream bases, or glitter toppers, things like that. Then we've got lipsticks in these drawers, liners, liquid lips, lipsticks, glosses, everything and above. And then we've got falsies, more natural kind of daytime falsies, and then some bigger eyeshadow palettes down here. So this is pretty much like everyday makeup or things that I would use when creating looks. And then the other container over here is gonna be all my Halloween special effects and gore and blood and things like that. So now let's tackle that. Okay, I don't know if this looks much different, but all of my special effects stuff is in this drawer now. Everything is organized. I have a few more moving parts. I'm going on a plane tomorrow. Actually, technically tonight. Wish me luck, I still need to pack. But everything else is organized. This space is looking great. The drawers are looking great. Oh my gosh, we are hungry. It is 6:30. We started this at 10 a.m. Successful day though. The office is looking good, baby. This is where the evening has me. I'm eating peanut butter and Cocoa Puff cereal. Some vegan one from Whole Foods. It's amazing. This is currently what I look like. Oh, she is glamour. Anyways, I don't know if that's the whole video. I mean, if you're watching this clip, then I guess that is the whole video. Let me know if you do want to see like an updated makeup collection tour. I honestly probably still could do some sort of declutter. I did do a little declutter, but not super thorough. It was more of like an organization. So let me know. Anyways, it was a very successful day. Oh my God, it's 9 o'clock. I have to go to Whistler. I have to leave my house at 5 a.m. I have not packed for Whistler. And I have my suitcase here. I don't think it's gonna take too long. I'm gonna eat a bit of food, pack, and I'm off. Very successful day. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if I have food in my teeth, let me live. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you very soon. Bye.